Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. I am Gowthami. Recently, I got a comment that I have a degree in my hand, but I am not able to get a teacher job, qualify for the teacher job because I am not able to speak English fluently. I felt so bad after watching this comment. I wanted to help those people who are already qualified, but they are not able to present themselves and get a teacher job. Okay, there are some people, yes, there are some people who are in need of this video. If you are one of those, or if your friends or relatives are one of those, please share this video and just click the like button so that it would boost me, because I am doing this particular video only to help you people. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the video. The first thing I want to tell you is that whenever you are going to present a demo, you need to take care of some points, some particular points. I'm going to tell you each and every point. Okay, the first thing is that you need to be comfortable with the clothes you are wearing. Okay, this is the first thing. If you are not comfortable with the clothes you are wearing, you will definitely feel uneasy. Okay, while explaining or while giving the demo, you will definitely feel uneasy. Okay, so you need to wear comfortable dress, and not only that, you need to look confident at the time of your presentation. While giving the demo, each and everyone there, including the students, must understand that you are not a fresher and you are eligible for this particular job. You need to create that environment while giving a demo. And not only that, you need to be really patient. Okay, you need to have patience, because while you are giving a demo, there may be some cases while the supervisor, the persons before whom you are presenting the demo, may ask some questions in between. Okay, so you need to be prepared for that, and not only for that, you need to be prepared for the questions that you need to answer. For that, you need to have confidence. Okay, only if you have confidence, you will be able to answer the question immediately after they ask you. Okay, these are some of the points that you need to keep in your mind. The first and foremost thing that you need to do is that you need to plan your lesson from the first, right from the starting to the end of the lesson. Okay, you need to plan each and everything regarding the topic that you choose. Okay, if you are given freedom to choose a particular topic, then you are very lucky, because you need to select a topic, right? Select such topic that you have more knowledge and you can express yourself more easily. Okay, where the terminology regarding English is very less, select such topic. But in some cases, you are not having such freedom to choose your favorite topic, right? Even then, no problem, I'm going to give you some of the tips. Please follow them. You need to plan a lesson in such a way that it is having a very interesting start. Okay, you need to kickstart the lesson. And not only that, you need to get ready with the material that you are going to do, the lesson plan, and you must be clear cut in whatever you want to deliver. Okay, regarding that particular topic, you need to be 100% clear and presentable. You need to be confident. You also need to prepare what questions, what type of questions are you going to ask to the students to get more interaction with them. Are you going to use the board? How are you going to use it? What are you going to write on the board? How you will end the class? All these you must keep in your mind and prepare your lesson plan. You need to do this at least 2 or 3 days before your demo. Okay, you should not wait for the last minute. You must be well prepared in advance. After selecting the topic, you need to make sure that you are preparing the topic in 3 parts. They are the introduction part, the main part, and the ending. Okay, you need to have these 3 parts, and you need to take rehearsals in front of the mirror. This is the best thing that you can do. While you are rehearsing in front of the mirror, you need to record the video, so that after completion of practicing the demo, you will be able to watch it and you will be able to correct yourself if you are making any mistakes. Okay, most of the people are failing in demos because they are not confident enough to present themselves before those many students and those many teachers. So first of all, take that out from your mind. While practicing only, you need to practice in such a way that you are in the actual demo. Okay, after practicing twice or thrice in front of the mirror and recording yourself and correcting yourself, then you will be feeling confident about your presentation. And after that, what are you going to do is take the help of a senior teacher. Okay, it may be your friend or your colleague or your senior, who maybe it may be, but take the help of them. Present before them once and ask them if you have done any mistakes. Get their feedback and change your lesson plan and change the way of your presenting in advance so that you would not feel nervous on the actual demo. As soon as you enter the class, you need to make sure that you are greeting each and everyone. Okay, for example, you can use very simple phrases like good morning students or good afternoon students. My name is so and so. My name is. I have come here to teach you English subject or math subject, whatever it may be. You are going to give a very short introductory and you are going to greet the students and the supervisor. First 5 minutes of the class, make sure that you are interacting with the class, interacting with the students as much as possible, so that first of all you are going to get comfortable and you are going to make children comfortable with you. Act as if you are the real teacher while giving the demo only. Okay, if students find out that you are not the real teacher, they will misbehave or they will do mischief in the class, and obviously you are going to get nervous because you don't know whether to scold them and you are not prepared for that situation, right? So be confident and make your body posture in such a way that you are so confident and you are actually working in that particular school or that institution for so many years. Okay, you need to make their students believe that, then they will not do any mischief in the class. It will be a very positive signal for you, because the supervisor is going to understand that you are capable of taking care of the class, you are capable of controlling the whole class, right, while giving the demo itself, right? So the chances to hire you will be more. In the middle of the class, you need to make sure that you are giving instructions. Okay, small phrases, learn small English phrases like, all of you please look at the board, concentrate what I am telling. I am going to pose you some questions in the middle of the class, or at the end of the class I am going to ask you some questions regarding the topic I have taught you. Okay, this is the way you need to interact with the students. One wonderful tip somewhere, that is you need to use 80:20 rule. I have got to know this from my sister who is working as the teacher. So what I came to know is that you must interact with the students in such a way that 80% of the interaction must be from the students. Okay, the students must answer. Okay, and 20% must be your choice to speak out. Okay, in such a way if you plan out your demo class, then it will be very wonderful, because you are going to use only a little bit of English and most of the answers you will get from the students, and you will not get nervous at all. Follow this 80:20 rule, in which 80% of the effort must be from the student and 20% of the effort to speak must be from you. In order to create such a situation, you must be confident and you must prepare with some of the questions that you want to ask to the students to make them interact. Engage with the kids as much as possible. Okay, engage with them and go with the flow. One or the other student is going to answer for sure. Some students are very enthusiastic, right? So go with the flow and try to pose more questions regarding the topic. Okay, if you are going to do that, then the supervisor will also ensure that you are going to handle any type of situation. Okay, any type of students. This will empower your demo. Okay, this is going to make use of the board. Okay, be wise, write whatever topic you are teaching. Okay, while writing on the board, you need not be quiet. Explain it, elaborate what are you writing on the board. Use simple phrases like look at the board, take a note of what I am writing at the board. Okay, you need to elaborate whatever you are writing. Maintain a clear voice. Okay, your voice must be clear and you must maintain same speed. Don't rush. Okay, don't speak too fast or don't speak too slow. If you speak too fast, then the students will not be able to understand. If you speak too slow, the students will get bored. So you need to maintain your speech in such a way that the students are more and more eager to interact with you. You need to create that impression. Not only that, you need to take care of your body language also. Don't stand stiff at one place. Okay, move a little bit and use that stage that is presented to you. And one more thing is that you need to use as much adjectives as possible to appreciate the students who are interacting with you. Okay, if you have posed a question and someone answered it and they have answered it correctly, then you need to say, wow, you did a great job. You got the correct answer. You have told the correct answer. Very good. Well done. Keep it up. Okay, these are some of the phrases you need to use. And if they have told the wrong answer, then don't tell the students that you have told the wrong answer, but tell them that, okay, good try, but you are quite wrong. Okay, this is the way you need to balance. You should not create an environment that the student feels slow. The most important thing is that the day before the demo only you need to get prepared with all the teaching material that you want to take. Okay, you need to make use of the teaching material. It may be charts or lesson plans or anything, but you need to make sure that they are clearly visible to all the students in the classroom. Prepare such a material, and they need to understand, the students and the supervisor need to understand that you are very creative and they will be able to gain more knowledge if you become their teacher. That is the impression that you need to give. Ultimately, the supervisor will also be impressed by watching your communication skills, English speaking skills, and also your now creative. I am going to tell some of the phrases that will be useful to you. Okay, like, can you speak louder? Am I audible? Can you hear me? Okay, can you please stand up? Come in front of the classroom, come near the board and write the answer. Hey, all these are some of the phrases that you can use in the class. After you have completed your demo, make sure that you are ending the demo in a nice way. Tell the students that I hope you have understood the lesson very well. If you have any questions, let me know in the next session. Don't forget to ask me if you have any doubts. Okay, all these are some of the things that you need to say to the students before you leave. You need to make interactive sessions with the students so that the supervisor will also be very sure and they will select you for sure. Okay, most of them while giving the demo think that they are not being selected due to the lack of English speaking skills, right? But no, apart from that, you are also being underconfident on you. Okay, first of all, try to be confident and put aside this thought that you don't know English. Use only those phrases that are very, very useful in the demo class. Okay, now I have given you some phrases, right? Note it down and learn them. Okay, first time you may not be knowing it, second time you may not be knowing it, but if you practice, third time you will definitely recollect those phrases. I believe in you, I trust you. Put your hard work, then definitely you will be able to remember those phrases that are very useful while giving demo. And not only that, be 100% accurate and confident on the topic that you are presenting. This is very, very important. Okay, prepare a nice lesson plan and you will rock. So from today onwards, take out that you don't know English and start speaking English out, not inside your brain. Okay, not thinking of how to speak English. You need to speak out. You need to learn the phrases that will be useful to you while giving a demo, and it will be 100% sure. Okay, I am confident enough that if you practice all these, you will definitely get selected. So don't be depressed and you will be selected for sure, and have confidence. That is what practice makes everything easy. Okay, practice. Start practicing at least a week or 2 weeks before your demo. Okay, then you will get confidence. That is everything I wanted to share with you all people. I hope this video is useful to you. If you find this video worth it, then please share it to your friends and family members who are suffering with the same issue. And not only that, please give a like, that boosts me up. Subscribe to the channel so that you will be a part of growing this channel. Thank you so much. Keep watching.